Hello everyone, this is Wasim and today I came up with new Rust MCQ question. So go through it and try to guess the correct answer. Now let's discuss the answer. The answer will be compile time error because by default in any variable it will be immutable in nature, means we cannot change it. So in line number 4 we are changing the value of x. Now let's run the code. So if you see, it is throwing a compile time error saying cannot assign twice to immutable variable x, and we are trying to assign it twice here in x equal to x plus 1. To fix this issue, we can put mute keyword to make this variable mutable. And now let's run the code. So here we are getting 11. So I'm done with today. See you in the next video.